Is your concrete driveway showing signs of wear and tear in Snellville, Georgia? Perhaps it has cracks that seem to multiply each day, or stubborn stains that refuse to disappear. This could be an indication that it's time for a new concrete driveway installation. Picture a brand new, smooth driveway, enhancing your home's curb appeal and providing a safe space for your children to play. But who can provide such a service? You may be thinking, I need a concrete driveway contractor near me. And you are in luck. If you are in Snellville, Georgia, or live in Gwinnett County, we at Restoration Landscape and Concrete are skilled professionals ready to assist you. These concrete driveway contractors are experts in their field, equipped to handle your project with the utmost care and precision. When you decide to invest in a new driveway, it's crucial to get a concrete driveway quote. This quote will provide you with a clear understanding of the cost and the work involved. It's a transparent way to ensure you are making the right decision for your home and your budget. Remember, a worn-out driveway doesn't just affect the look of your home, it can also be a safety hazard, so don't wait until it's too late. Call Restoration Landscape and Concrete for a free quote. A licensed and bonded concrete driveway contractor in Snellville, Georgia, proudly serving all of Gwinnett County. It's time to take the first step to a safer, more beautiful home today.